Okay, question 21 here. So we're supposed to use the sum and difference identities to get an exact value. Remember the values we have. We've got a 30-degree angle, we have a 45, we have a 60, we have 90-degree angles that we have exact. I guess we got a 0, that doesn't help too much. But so sine of 75, I can see, well, 30 plus 45, that's 75, right? So I want to think of this as sine of 30 plus 45. That seems like a natural. And then what I need to do is check my my half or double angle formulas. And again, that will be in question 1 of the final exam. So sine of alpha plus beta, so this in our case is 30 plus 45, is sine cosine plus sine cosine. Okay, so sine of the alpha, cosine of the beta, sine of the beta, cosine of the alpha. So we don't have to memorize this, but we have to remember to go back to question 1, which has all the formulas. Okay, so sine of alpha plus beta is going to be, remember, sine cosine. So let's we'll just do we'll do it here. Sine cosine, and so let's just do 30. Remember, it's 30 and then the cosine's 45, so they're opposite, plus then the sine of 45 cosine of 30. Now again, with addition, we could do this in either order. We could have done 45 30, and then this would have been 30 45. So let's just see, because yeah, they're doing sine. So here it is. They got the minus. We want the plus. They're going to make it hard on us. There's probably more than one than we could use. Sine, here we go. It's right here, 8. Sine 45 cosine 30. So they put this one first. So they did. They really just said, okay, let's do sine of 45 plus 30. Well, it's commutative. It could be done either way. But if you're looking for a specific, you might not have caught it here. And then notice they switched the cosine and the sine because multiplication is also commutative. So cosine of 45, sine of 30, sine of 45, cosine of 30. This is the formula we want to use, so we'll mark it. And so then what is the sine of 75? Well, using this, sine of 30, remember from the unit circle, is, it's maybe easier if we do this, cosine, sine. I like to recreate it. So if we go 30, 45, I'll do the 60 even though we're not going to need it. So cosine, remember, counts down, square root of 3 over 2, square root of 2 over 2, square root of 1 over 2, and then sine counts up, square root of 1 over 2, square root of 2 over 2, and then square root of 3 over 2. So it's all halves. So sine of 30, the way I've got it, it'll work the same as this one. Sine of 30 is 1/2 times cosine of 45 is square root of 2 over 2 plus sine of 45, which is square root of 2 over 2, times cosine of 30 is square root of 3 over 2. Okay, so this gives us square root of 2 over 4 plus square root of 6, right? 2 times 3, square root of 6 over 4. So we could write this as square root of 2 plus square root of 6 all over 4. That's all we can do. Using radicals as needed. Well, that's what we could do. That's what we could do. So that goes right there, and we are done for now.